In this video, I'll show you how to install the Runchat for Rhino plugin. It's important to note that Runchat only works from Rhino 8. So if you don't have a Rhino 8 license, you can look for a 90-day Rhino trial. McNeil offer a 90-day evaluation, so it's easy to get a free evaluation of Rhino 8 from their website, which will be more than enough to use Runchat. Once you've installed Rhino 8, you can open it up, and in the Rhino viewport here, you can open the package manager. If you search the package manager for Runchat, it should show up in the results. It may not show up if you are using a lower version of Rhino. And if we select the Runchat plugin and hit install in the bottom right here, we can install Runchat. We should apply this, and then the best thing to do is probably just restart Rhino 8. So we'll do that now. Okay, so if we type Runchat, we have a few different commands. We have the Runchat command, which will open Runchat in a web view. We also have Runchat debug, which might be used if you want to share some details with us of any issues you might be having with Runchat. And then finally, we have Runchat script, which will be a repository of any script you've ever tried to run inside of Rhino using the Runchat plugin. So if we open Runchat, it opens the Runchat viewport. You'll be directed to the sign-in page, and once you sign in, you can then use the Rhino plugin. For more details on how to use the Runchat for Rhino plugin, you can go to our YouTube channel. We have a few different playlists that cover different capabilities inside of the Rhino plugin. If you want to talk to us about any custom use case you have for the Rhino plugin, please reach out to us on Discord. Cheers.